Plastimed is a manufacturer of plastic products, bottles, jars, buckets, closures, tubes, and general purpose containers. We are a customer-centric business that focuses on small and medium enterprises and home-based businesses in South Africa. Majority of our customers have had to close down their businesses and even downscale due to the looting and burning of their shops. Due to COVID, we have now realigned our focus and shifted our resources towards the disinfectant home industry as well as the healthcare and medical industries. Support from Cape Talk and 702 would help us grow our business in terms of getting more exposure in the marketplace. It will help us reinvest into our business and our staff, where we could grow and bring on new staff and create more employment opportunities for the community in South Africa.